Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Nigeria needs very strong prayers. Things are happening, it's getting out of hand. Every day we are bombarded with one terrible news or the other, and it looks as if it's not even going, it's going to go unabated. It's continuous. Something needs to be done and needs to be done fast. As we speak, the Federal High Court in Abakaliki is on fire. And the fact that also Ebonyi State, the youth have decided to make a move over this. But before we go to these two news, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, this is breaking as some government have attacked the Federal High Court complex in Abakaliki, the Ebonyi State capital. This occurred early on Tuesday, today. The assailant burnt the library and security sections of the building, as AIT also reports. No death was recorded, but two of the three security guards on duty were said to have sustained minor injuries. The Southeast has been experiencing violent attacks by GMs, that's gunmen. Last weekend, some GMs attacked the country home of the governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, bringing down two security operatives in the process. Still on the same Ebonyi State. Of course, we're looking at another thing happening as in Afikpo, actually, as the President General, that's PG Ohaisu Afikpo community in Ebonyi State, that's the Southern Block, Dr. Jasper Okoro said the ban on selling and slaughtering eating of cow meat in the community would not be reversed. They've actually banned cow meat. He said that no matter how highly placed, no person was allowed to bring or serve cow meat in Afikpo, no matter the occasion or event. Okoro, a retired veteran journalist, told a correspondent that the ban followed constant attack on their people by herdsmen, which resulted into killing and social menaces of all kinds to their people. He explained that the ban was more fueled by the killing of a young man in the community, that's Mr. Joseph Ogo of Okoro community, along with his wife. Okoro alleged that herders murdered the man and wife while they were in their farm. Even if you are celebrating anything in Afikpo, no matter whom you are, you cannot bring cow or cow meat into Afikpo. The place they used to sell cow meat is no longer functional. It's not functional. People now go for either meat or fish, he said. The PG revealed that the ban has been very effective, hence the herders have been threatening to attack them. He called on various tiers of government to provide adequate security for Afikpo communities. Okoro urged that most states in the northern part of Nigeria ban sales and consumption of alcoholic drinks in their areas. So, queried why the ban on cow and cow meat consumption by Afikpo people should be protested against, I wonder. Let's continue. Now, looking at this, you can imagine just some hours ago, they raised down a high court in Abakaliki, UGM or GM this time, because it's not a unknown government. This is actually GM government. Now, that happened in Afikpo. Things have been happening in Southeast gradually, bit by bit. Southeast is looking like Northeast. Every single day we keep hearing stories of what happened in Southeast. Just yesterday, there have been conflicting reports on whether or not it was Fulani people that started it, and some persons came online and said no, the people that were killed were Fulani men, that were killed, Fulani family that were killed. Other persons said no, it is not Fulani family that were killed, it was Anambra citizens, locals that were killed. In all, there was a killing, and we are behaving in this country as if we are not being governed. Things just happen, nobody seems to know anything. Anarchy gradually is seeping in. Every day something has just happened. It baffles me, with due respect to the government on board, that we do not have full data statistics of human lives in Nigeria, but we are taking cognizance, we're taking a full database on the cows imported and the number of cows that we may likely have in Nigeria. And the Senate are sitting back and analyzing that as a bill. I don't get it. Human lives. How many, okay, can we just ask a simple question? How many children are in Anambra today? I guess we don't even know. How many immigrants, how many Anambra indigenes have left Anambra today? Nobody knows. Or how many foreigners have come into Anambra today? Nobody also knows. How many people that are non-Nigerians living in Anambra today? We don't know. I'm taking a subset of Nigerians in Anambra as a case study. How much more calling the 336 states, which is like a Herculean task, saying that we should take a database of Nigerians. We don't even know the number of birth rate and death rate. We just assume. Okay, we do estimates. While you want to take, let's start from the genesis. Let's start from the crux of the matter. If you can get database, and you can get, it's worrisome that hashtag answers during the hashtag answers protest, they were easy. It was very easy, really, to be able to decipher, to differentiate or to ascertain those who sponsored hashtag answers and those who received funding for hashtag answers, and their accounts were, duly freezed. I have no problem with that. I guess that's the policy. But what is amazing is the fact that up till today, maybe up till tomorrow, the sponsor of Boko Haram and terrorism in Nigeria have been working freely. We don't even know who they are. And their account is functional, receiving all manner of alerts. Nobody have asked who they are. And those who even managed to want to trace them out, the matter was swept under the carpet. We can't continue like this. At some point, the people will begin to resort to self-help. And the moment the citizens lose faith in the government and resort to self-help for protection, then Nigeria has gone into full-blown anarchy. Nigerians are calling, they are begging, they are asking for a security that is tight. They're not asking for too much if they say you should secure lives and property. It's not too much. If facilities are being burnt down every day and the security personnel are being targeted, the people who are charged by law to protect the citizens and life and property of citizens are being targeted every day, then what is the common man's fate? Nigeria is gradually seeping into anarchy. Everybody is looking at it as politics as usual. They are playing politics around lives and property. Lives in particular. Forget about property for the now because it can always get that. But life when lost cannot be regained. And we are still talking party lines. Are we still discussing party lines at this stage? Now, Abakaliki, yes, okay, so okay, let's protect. Just some hours ago, we heard that helicopters have been put as surveillance in Imo State to ensure that security is guarded. Okay, now that helicopters are in Imo State, now it has happened in Abakaliki. Who knows where it will hit to? It has gradually shifted from the north. Now it is now in the southeast. Who knows where it will get to? Eventually, the whole Nigeria will get involved. This is getting out of hand. Hands must be on deck. Things need to be done and need to be done very quick. That's where we're going to wrap it up. Let's meet in our comment section. Have a nice day.